Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. We are probably just now finishing the third wave, heading here into this fourth wave. This is sort of best I can tell at the moment. We did obviously rally, reach now the target for the third wave here. Let me just recheck that. But if we obviously turned around in the trend reversal area. We rallied to the top of the wave 1. If we then measure to the low of the wave 2, you can see here target was 1925. I think I said that yesterday that this would be target. A must have, because this is the 1.618 extension. That's what you normally want to see. That's what you want to see for a third wave, right? So because the third wave would normally need to reach the 1.618 extension. If it doesn't do it, you have to consider other options like a 1-2-1-2 setup or something. But for now, I assume that wave 3 has topped, or maybe we are still in this wave 3, but it wouldn't make a great difference, okay? My view at the moment is that it's like climbing the stairs, right? So it's a bit like as long as we're holding now 1887, we can focus here on higher, because the fourth wave should not drop below the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. So for now it's holding that, and I think it's looking good for trend continuation to the upside. Similar to Bitcoin, it's not entirely clear if this move to the upside now, this fifth wave is going to complete the third. I would say probably not. So this would be a very short third wave compared to what we did in the wave 1. So what I'd rather think is happening, that this here might be just the wave 1 of the wave 3, yeah? That we have another 1-2 setup. Maybe it will be a shallow wave 2. I'm not going to put it on here yet, the 1-2. Just want to see how it develops, which means that as long as we at the moment hold above 1887, another high could be made here in the fifth wave. If we after that get a deep pullback, then this will be a wave 2. But I'll always give you the key support areas against which we can focus on higher. At the moment, again, it's a little bit weaker than Bitcoin. Reason is the ETH BTC chart. We talked about that in previous videos, that Ethereum is probably going to be outperformed by Bitcoin over the coming weeks or so. It just showed a little bit of let's say a short-term uptrend in the last few days, but generally looking at, let's say, the next few weeks, Bitcoin is supposed to outperform Ethereum, but we cover that separately in an ETH BTC video. So for now, the uptrend is in play. Breakout point here would be, and it might do that in this fifth wave, is the 1940 level, which is the wave 1 high of the 5th of April. Yeah, breaking above that level would lead most likely here to the heart of the third wave rally, even though when we are in this fifth wave, we might see a little bit of a setback first before we move higher. Yeah, so that's sort of the situation here we're in at the moment. Generally, further higher highs, higher lows expected at the moment, especially as long as we're holding that 1887 level. I can give you at the moment a possible target for that fifth wave. So we take the length here of waves 1 through 3. We go to the low of the fourth wave. Now again, this could come down a little bit deeper. So I will rather give you the lower end targets, yeah, because at the moment I have no evidence that wave 4 has bottomed. It might not come down lower, yeah. It could be a very shallow, just sort of triangle style wave 4. But I just have to base the calculation for the fifth wave target on something. Normally, you obviously do it on the go when you're trading. So you wait for a confirmed bottom in a wave 4, and then you can calculate your target and have to shift it around a few times. At the moment, I don't have a confirmed bottom. Yeah, I might have that when we break above the 1928 level. But for now, this could still come a little bit lower in the orange support area. So at the moment, I'm just calculating the target for the fifth wave of the 1887 level. Just rather give you the lower end target than the higher end target, just to stay conservative. And here the key target would be 1952. That's the 61.8 extension of waves 1 through 3, yeah, of that length. Then we've got 1970 and 1992. So I guess the $2,000 level will be strong psychological resistance anyway. So yeah, that's my update at the moment about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.